In this video we will be heading up to God's Window, and towards the end we will be heading to Harry's Pancakes, so stay tuned for that. Before we get any further into the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so we are at God's Window now. It's a lookout point where you can have a stunning view of the valley below, so let's go have a look. God's Window is a vantage point and landmark in Mpumalanga. You can see right over the Kruger National Park to the Limbombo mountain range on the border of Mozambique. Forests, towns, rivers and waterfalls can be seen from this spectacular viewpoint, so make sure you go on a clear and sunny day to get the best views. There is an entrance fee of 20 Rand for adults and 10 Rand for kids.
Stop, boy. Stop.
There's a butterfly over here,
Beautiful.
just sitting on the rock waiting for us.
Don't scare him.
Don't go. Boy, sit down. The butterfly.
Into the rainforest we go.
Get down away. Mommy.
Surrounded by beautiful rainforest. So this is a magnificent view from the very top of God's Window.
Look where the trees are. You can see all the tree plantations and where they've cut.
Yeah, you can see. You can also see the river down there.
The weather.
Look, the weather's not the greatest today, so the clarity is a little questionable, but it's still an amazing view.
Hello, the weather.
And Levi is shouting hello to the river.
Okay, I'm standing right here on the edge. I'm going to zoom in. Hopefully you guys can see. You can see all the tree plantations where they've cut the trees and they've replanted. Beautiful view from up here. Worth the climb. It wasn't a long climb, just a lot of stairs.
Yeah, please, Levi.
Unfortunately the view was a bit cloudy today, so we can't see as far as normal. But it's still a beautiful view. This is a view on the way down from the other side. And that side there we have the cliffs. Okay, further down we have another viewing area. It's a little bit closer. You can see the river and the lake a little bit clearer. Let me zoom in for you guys.
Before I take a photo, I want to.
Now it's starting to drizzle a little bit. Over here, people have put a whole bunch of ribbons and locks on. I presume they're trying to symbolize their undying love for each other. Yeah, some all this side. Some of it just looks like rubbish. Oh, some people have written names on it.
Had I known we were going hiking, I would have worn better shoes. I mean, really.
It's not too much of a hike, but it is a lot of stairs and rocks.
Yes, but still not the best idea to do it with these shoes because they are super slippery and there's a lot of mud and rocks. So make sure you wear proper shoes, like smarty pants over here.
What monkey is this? Hi, monkey. He's funny. Are you taking a video of him?
Hi, buddy.
Hi, what you doing?
So in the car park, there is a curio shop, souvenirs, and crafts made by the local people. So if you're interested in having a look, have a look when you're here. Here we are outside Harry's Pancakes in Graskop, one of the famous pancake houses. Let's go inside and see what we eat.
After experiencing the beauty of nature, the fresh air and some exercise, we went to Harry's Pancakes for some much needed refreshments. Their menu consists of sweet and savoury pancakes, jaffles, soup, breakfast, and a wide range of hot and cold drinks, even wine and beer. So if you're in the area, make sure to check them out.
Say hi, Levi.
Already got the pep. What did you get?
Peppermint crisp crumble and caramel sauce.
Already got the peppermint crisp crumble and caramel sauce. And that with the malt tarts. On the outside they all look the same. Let's see what happens when you cut them. Okay, so the boys got cinnamon and sugar plain pancakes.
With ice cream.
Okay. Do you want to taste it?
Let's taste it. Levi, let's taste it.
How was yours?
So inside we have a malt tart pudding. So you can taste the malt tart and then it's pancake crust. And how's it taste?
It's good. I thought it would be really sweet, but it's actually not that bad. It's still got some caramel in the middle as well. So I got caramel on the inside, caramel on the outside.
How does it taste, Randy?
It's good. Levi, how's yours?